wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
You guys, I said I was gonna vlog my experiences for the next few weeks, so I'm trying to do that. I missed vlogging this morning so y'all can see me get ready and all that because it was so chaotic, but I finally touched down. I am in Minnesota, and I guess I'll do a room tour. This is where I will be for the next month. Got a long mirror there, y'all can see me there. Nice little dress casual look. My luggage, that is the restroom, not too shabby, and shower. Okay, nice. So I guess it'll be a reveal while I'll be here for so long. You all will find that out soon, but that's my view. I got a few things I gotta take care of, and then I'll talk to you all in a bit. Bye. I have to go get COVID tested. So it's just downstairs in the hotel. So we can only arrive there about 5 minutes prior due to social distancing. So they're trying to make sure, you know, we're really safe. And like I said, I'm gonna tell you all like what it is, what I'm doing, and all that jazz. I can't be super specific, I don't believe, but you know, you'll know somewhat. But I'll let y'all check my fit. Just threw on a blazer since I'm inside. Yeah. Good morning, you guys. I'm looking like this because I'm cleaning my face. That's the reason. I didn't end up vlogging much yesterday because I was just kind of busy. That was the first day we flew into Minneapolis. So today I'm about to get ready for class. It's 8. I'll put timestamp somewhere in the video, but it's like it's not 8. I'm tripping. It's like 6:20 or something like that. So I'm gonna finish cleaning my face, get ready for class. I'm going to show you all my outfit for the day, and I will see you all in a bit. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I'm dressed and ready to go. I'm going to show you all my outfits, and I'll be right back. Little kitten here. What you think? Okay, so I'm gonna give me some coffee now. Looks like it's almost ready to brew. They got the little station here. I got me a bit of food, you know. So I told y'all I'm gonna be here for a week. It's a week. I'm gonna be here for a month. But yeah, class starts at 8. I told you all I'm typically early, which is why I'm already ready. Currently it's 7:07. Yep, it's brewing. Yay. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and walk downstairs around 7:30. They said someone would be available to speak with us or basically tell us where to go. 30 minutes prior to class, I'll head down there. And yeah, a lot of that I can't really film, but you know, whatever shots I can get, I'll try and get for you all. I got outside the room and everything, but you know, I'm new to this vlogging thing, so yeah. I do like the art though. I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures in here. I take pictures in like every hotel I'm in. Inserts Savannah hotel pictures. All right, you guys, thanks for talking with me, and I will see you all later. Okay guys, so we're on break and they did provide us with lunch, so I'm about to eat lunch. I was able to go back up to my room, so I was like, yeah, let me just do that. So they gave us a sandwich there, some chip, a cookie. Can you see the cookie? Water, and it seems like it's cold, so they might have just did that. Wow. and an orange and a napkin. So that's actually perfect. Lunch starts at noon, so I don't have too much time to talk. I just wanted to check in with you all, let you all know what's going on. Love you guys, and I will see you all after class. All right, you guys, so I just finished my lunch, so I have just a tad bit of time to chit chat. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult for me to do my videos. By the time you see this, it's probably gonna be past Monday or Wednesday, so I don't know if I'm gonna get any of those videos out. I know not Wednesday, my wardrobe Wednesdays, due to the fact that I only packed enough for my training. But yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I just figured I'd come to y'all and chit chat a bit. Also, I left my tripod, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult with that too, but I figured out I might just run a Target or something like that and pick up a new tripod, but we'll see. But I just want to talk to y'all about this journey is just like opening up new doors for me, and it's time to whatever you want to do, whatever you want to put your mind to, it's time to do that. It's time to reach new goals, do new things, and things that you thought that you never were gonna do, never was gonna accomplish. It's time to do that. It's time to get out there, take a chance on life, and know that the sky's the limit. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you all later. Love you guys, and I will see you all in the next part of this vlog. Good morning, you guys. Okay, so I'm a bit early. Per usual, your time, if you're watching this in Eastern Standard Time, it's like 6. No. Yeah, it's like 6 something. No, it's 7 something. But my time, Central Time, it is 6. It's 6 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm getting dressed. I'm making me some tea. I made coffee yesterday, but I'm making tea today. You can see me in the but yeah, I switched it up today. White blouse, black skirt, different compliant shoes, and I'm gonna do a black blazer, of course. I'm gonna show you all the full length view, but yeah, today's gonna be a great day. Today we're not taking an exam until, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it is that I'm doing. Y'all just gonna see me doing stuff until the end. That's what I come to copes with. So yeah, so I'm getting dressed. Today's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna go down a bit. I'll stay about 30 minutes prior to class. The class starts at 7 my time, so 8 you all's time, and I'm gonna get they provide us with coffee and a dessert, so like a muffin or a Danish, stuff like that for breakfast. So I'm gonna go down. I'm not gonna do coffee today. I'm gonna do tea because you girls picked up a few pounds for the holidays, so I'm trying to drop those off, and I'm gonna drop them off right at the corner over there. Okay. So yeah, I can already see a difference in a day. Okay, so diet is everything. Diet is everything. Of course, working out is great and it expedite the process, but diet is everything. But anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbering on. You all will see me later on today, but I am gonna show you my full length outfit as soon as I put on my blazer. So I'll be right back. My fit for today, a little same kitten here. The lighting over here is horrendous. I hate that, but yeah, you all get the gist. The best lighting is for my phone. You see that? But yeah, that's my fit for today. You see me walking. Yes. All right, you guys, gotta go to class. I will talk to you all in a bit. Trust me, I'll have some better vlogs soon when I be out on the town, but I'm not trying to be out on the town too much because COVID is real. So thank you all, and I'll see you later. Bye. All right, you guys, so rise and shine, good morning. It is 6:16 and I am feeling great. Last night I didn't get to vlog much. I really haven't been vlogging at all. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm getting used to it, but we did a bunch of studying. We have our little study group. We have a bunch of group chats and all that from some of my fellow classmates. I almost said it. And yeah, we were just pretty much studying last night. I came upstairs. We still had a reading assignment, so I had to do a reading assignment. And then I like chatted with some family, my mom, and it was bedtime. So I haven't been doing much, but of course I had to check in with you all. Since it's the morning, I do that every morning, and I'm gonna show you. Hey you guys, so I know I haven't been vlogging much. This is my new friend. This is Erin. So we're about to go kind of explore. Should I say where we are? I guess it doesn't matter.
We're going to the Mall of America.
Yeah, we're going to the Mall of America. That's in Minneapolis. So as you can see, it is freezing, but we're like enjoying our time here, all that jazz. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, and I will see you all in a little bit, I guess.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So there's an amusement park in this mall, you guys. Get out of here. My empty salad.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny, I got a crush on you.
Hey guys, so I should be picking up where you all see me kind of on the track. Well, I was on the elliptical, but on the elliptical for a bit. I also did a I know the lighting is not good right now, but I don't know. Hope you all are okay with this. But yeah, so the video should be picking up with me off the elliptical. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, so I just finished working out. I am back in my hotel room, and yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here and then just pick up the next moment I'm probably gonna pick up where I left off. But yeah, like, so the vlogs are gonna get better. Obviously, it's a lot I can't really film, but I just kind of want you all to like kind of follow me around and all that type of stuff. And yeah, you all know I'm getting used to vlogging. Vlogging is a bit new to me, so bear with me. But yeah, I hope you all did enjoy kind of a look at the Mall of America. That mall is huge. It's like 4 stories. And we didn't even like kind of break through half of the mall, like not even a quarter of the mall, because we really just went there to go grab something to eat, because we can't really be out too much and with the public, because none of us can really afford to get COVID. But yeah, at the end of my vlogs for the next like few weeks, then you all kind of finally know what it is that I'm even doing. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you all did enjoy the vlog, and stay tuned for the next vlog, because I promise you they're gonna get better and better. But you all have a good day. Love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.